we'll see how it, oh, there's a hole there. Do a little experiment on the old hair scramble course. So I got this new GoPro 11 and I got it just in time for the last race. I didn't really set it up, so I'm going to test out the 10-bit color, which is a new option for the 11. So today I'm going to do a section in the 10-bit color. We'll turn around, switch it back into the 8-bit color, see if we can notice a difference. I'm guessing yes, but we won't know until we get it on the computer. So my settings for today are going to be super view, shooting 4K at 60 frames a second with the 10-bit color on, and the stabilization just set to on, just the first level on. So we'll see what it looks like.
Okay guys, here we go. As you can see on the screen, this is 10-bit. I'm doing a very short section here. I'm going to turn around, switch it to 8-bit, do it again, and I'll tell you one thing that I did notice is there is a difference, 100% difference between the 10 and the 8-bit, but it's so minute, and really you can only tell like when you pause it, like at the same scene, and then it's more obvious. But to the casual viewer, they're not going to notice if you're in 10-bit or 8-bit or whatever. So for me, I'm going for the most quality I can have, so I'll always just keep shooting in 10-bit. But I would say to somebody that doesn't really care, 8-bit's going to be just as good for you, and it's going to save on the size of your file. Okay, here we go in 8-bit, see if you guys can tell the difference. But as I was just saying, it's, you know, gonna save on file size, and the difference between 10-bit and 8-bit, you know, is quite a bit of difference, but it's gonna be more in your post-production, I would think, versus someone just watching a video of me riding. They're not gonna tell if I'm in 10-bit or 8-bit. So yeah, with that being said, I'll just keep shooting in 10-bit because I do notice a difference. I'm just saying most people won't. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys could tell the difference or not, and just try pausing it in like the same section and see if you guys can notice. Okay guys, now after that little short test, Brian and I are just gonna keep riding the hair scramble course. Kind of just a practice day. Didn't go anywhere this weekend to ride. Just stayed basically at camp, and I wanted to get this little comparison done, just to get it home and get it on the computer and see if I could tell a big difference. Like I said, I just got this GoPro, so one thing I forgot to mention, I always put it in high bit rate also. I know I told you guys my settings, but I forgot to mention that. Always put it in high bit rate. That does make the files quite a bit bigger, but it's worth it. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna do the full loop, which is I think like 7.5 miles. So if you guys want to stick around and watch, please do. And then I'm gonna roll in some footage of, we went and picked Brian's wife up at the camper and brought her out on her brand new Beta 300X trainer, and rode with her for a little bit. So I'll put in a little bit of footage of when I got behind her and taped her for a minute, and show her also on a hill climb out back, which is way worse than it looks like on video, but she did good. That bike just lugged right up it, and yeah, I just can't get over how good this footage is to me with this new 11. So I'm coming from the 8, which the 8 was good. It's just I think the 11 is quite a bit better, and I have the option to shoot in even higher frame rates if I want to, but kind of scared to do that just because the file size of 4K at 60 frames a second is already like, they're huge. So, but maybe someday in the future I'll experiment with that next step up, but for now it's 4K 60 for me. So yeah, anyways, if you guys are still here, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and let me know down in the comments what you think about the quality of the footage. Alright? Okay guys, thanks for watching.
See that deer? Get behind Andrea, Beta Brian's wife. In here, but man, is it cold this morning. Definitely cold. She's riding good. She rarely gets out on the bike, so doing a really good job. Got 300 power. Wugga dugga. Trying to be real easy on the throttle so you don't think I'm too close. There you go. Good job. Probably can't tell in the video, but that was like kind of like a little off-camber turn, and there was roots running sideways, and they're super slippery right now, especially being in the morning with all the dew on them. Deer hoofs. There she is right there. So this is part of the Whiskey Creek Hare Scramble course. So you go down that side. I'm not sure how good the camera's picking it up. Brian's bike is laying on the ground because he's riding it, hers down, but it's nasty, and it's gotten way worse since the Hare Scramble because all the people coming and riding it, especially the side-by-sides digging it out. So anyways, we'll wait for her to come up this side. Okay, here they come. This hill is nasty. I think Brian's gonna take her up a little bit easier of a way though. Well, She just originally got up to the face of the hill and just was like, what the heck? Because it's steep. And then like an idiot, I climb all the way down. I got a long ways to go to the top now.